Hey everyone. Before I begin, I want to be very clear that this is not actual Wikipedia vandalism. You are the only one who can see the changes you make. Once you refresh the page, they are gone, even for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the one line of JavaScript that allows you to do this. The code is in the description of this video. Just copy and paste it into your browser console and hit enter. Here's what it does in layman's terms. First, the code gets a list of all the page elements. Then it goes through the list. Each element has a switch called content.editable that is currently set to off. The code flips all the switches on, so the text all over the web page can be changed easily. By the way, this also works on any other website. I chose Wikipedia because there's not a lot of annoying JavaScript execution that gets in the way. So yeah, try it out, have some fun, quote unquote vandalize some stuff. Alright, that's all. Happy coding.